Welcome back, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal here, Natural Transplants in the DC office, and we are excited. We got Olivia joining us from up north a little bit.
Yes,
welcome, Pittsburgh.
Yeah.
Welcome. Thank you for sharing your story with everybody. Tell everybody why you're here, how you found us, all that good stuff.
I'm here
Take the mic if you want.
Sure. To kind of lower my naturally given high forehead that
you were gifted by both parents.
A gift from my parents, and a little bit of traction alopecia mixed in. So excited to kind of bring the hairline down a little bit.
Doing a little research, doing a little stalking for a little while.
Yeah.
You're ready to do it.
Watched many a natural transplants video.
It's weird being on this side.
Yes, it is. It is.
I'm gonna pull your hair back. So you do it. You typically wear your hair kind of down the middle. You said just to hide it.
Yes, to hide the.
So we're gonna be creating a new
back.
hairline. Mm-hmm. Obviously, you want it to look natural. So we're not gonna bring. You don't want to. Some women have been so frustrated for so long they want to overcompensate and bring it down too low. Obviously, you don't want to do that. You still want there to be some breathing room and look natural on your face. You want it to look symmetric, but we're going to kind of bring it down, fill it in, may or may not keep the widow's peak. We're going to just talk about that.
Yep.
And then give you the freedom to wear your hair however you want. That's the whole goal. That's the idea. So
ponytail.
I'm excited.
Ponytail goals.
Ponytail. Give me the ponytail. So we'll draw everything out and then we'll come back and we'll check on in a few.
Cool.
Sound good?
Sounds good.
Awesome. We are back with Olivia, and as you can tell, we have drawn out the line. We worked really hard on it. We're both happy. Husband's happy. You doing all right?
Yes.
Okay.
Doing great.
Awesome. So we did a little bit of shaving as well too. We're going deep into the recession areas, deep into the corners. We're going to end it kind of right around here. Down decent amount. We actually brought it down a little further, a little bit more aggressive, and then brought it back just to give her a little bit more breathing room. I think it looks awesome. You happy? You good? We got a couple Valium on board, ready to rock and roll?
Ready.
Let's do it. All right, we'll check on you a little bit.
Sounds
okay?
Good.
All right. Olivia.
Hi.
How we doing?
Doing
Trying to center you on this thing.
We're having fun today.
You having fun? We are having a good time. So we are on part 3. This is 3 of 3. We had our lunch. How was your lunch?
It's delicious.
Doing all right? You have any pain or anything?
No.
You look comfy.
None. Yeah.
Okay.
Super cozy.
All right. Say hi, guys. All right. We'll be done in probably an hour. All right. We'll catch you later. All right. Welcome back, everybody. We are finished. We got Olivia. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Tell everybody how the day went. Be honest.
The day went fine. It went by pretty fast, honestly. Yeah, it was good.
Had some good lunch, watched a little shows. You introduced me to the new music.
Yeah.
That was awesome, by the way.
Took a nice nap.
And most importantly, we did a great job. It really, really went well.
Yeah.
The music was fantastic, but this was even better. So I'm really psyched. We packed it in. It's a nice look on you. I think it still gives you enough forehead, but looks nice and natural on you. Went all the way back into the corners. I love it. It looks really, really good.
I'm excited.
Thank you for doing this with everybody.
Of course.
Give some advice to yourself a year ago, or somebody that's looking right now, knowing what you know now. What would you tell them?
I would have said, don't waste time interviewing other doctors locally. I mean, I'm glad I did because it really gave me context for how awesome you are and how great your team is. Truly, like miles away from other people that I've interviewed and talked to. And
for the record, I always tell patients, interview multiple doctors. I think it's important for no other reason for what you just said. It makes me look fantastic. But honestly, you need to look at, you don't drive away on the first car that you test drive. You want to look at other places. You want to get a flavor of how other people do it. And I'm not right for everybody, and some other person you may feel more comfortable with, and that's totally fine. But I do think it's important to at least talk to a couple different places.
Yes, so
absolutely.
That's true. I'm glad I did because it made me appreciate your expertise. Not just generally with hair transplants, but with Black women specifically in my hair type. So I felt like I was in great hands from the moment that I walked in the door.
Awesome. Love it. We've had a really fun day today.
Yeah.
Thank you for doing this. Hopefully we can follow you along.
Yeah,
welcome to the family, and we'll see you in a year. Okay?
Yes,
all right. Sounds
excited.
good.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.